into this.
My name is Matt. This is VanDam Construction. We're almost done framing the shed right behind us. In the first video in this series, we poured a concrete foundation, so you can check out that video. The next one, we checked out how to square up a pad using a 3-4-5 method. And after that, we learned how to lay out a wall. This video is going to be how to build a wall. We're going to have some time lapses, things of that nature, and then we're just going to keep on going. We're going to cover the roof in the next video and some other stuff, so stay tuned and hopefully you can learn something. When you're laying out your wall, your first stud will go right here. Your second stud is going to go on this red mark right here. So the red marks are going to hit right in the middle of the stud, but I go over that in my last video, so check that out. Make sure to give everything a quick sweep and put down some construction adhesive. It'll keep the bugs out later.